Hey YouTube, Jake the Snake here. Today I got 2 booster packs. Yep, of redakai. And I also got a booster pack with a gold metanoid. And yeah, 500 red, 500 green. If anybody wants this card, like if you guys want to trade me for like a Banshee Scream or like a Supernova or something like that, I'd be happy to trade you guys. So gold metanoid, look into that. Yay. Okay. But so I got one with I got the redakai team, Silverback, Sionis, and then the Betacore team with Drudger, Magna, and Spycore. I guess I'll open the redakai one first, and yeah. So like I said, gold metanoid if you guys are looking for a trade, because I know a lot of people have been looking for that card, and I'm not a big fan of metanoids, so look into that, guys. Yeah, okay. No. Okay, I'm opening it. Pack. It's thick. And then we got the card. I will put this in my, you know how I have a redakai actuator? Well, with zinc, but now I'm going to put this, so. Yeah. But, yeah. Okay. Electric Cage. Energy Whiplash. Feather Sword, Fire Vortex, Fire Whips, Feather Daggers, Crappy Slime Grenades, Characters there from redakai, Scorpion, whoa, Zytron and crappy Zytron. 1 second. That pack was just terrible. But since Betacore is like probably one of my favorite teams, like I've said in so many of my videos, let's hope I get some good stuff. Okay. So if you buy a booster pack at your local Target Toys R Us, I'm sure you guys know what it looks like, but you get this. It's like, oh yeah. Okay, so yeah. So expect more redakai because I really like this game and stuff like that. Same thing with this. I have a Betacore deck with Drudger and Frosthawk battling, but I will put this because yeah. That pack that I just had was very bad. Oh, I also got a gold Fractus. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. But okay. Pounce. Plasma Energy Blast. Ooh. Paralyzes Spray. Nightmare. Lightning Strike. Sonic Charge. Sonic Boom. Man, characters Boomer. Slab, and Frosthawk. Oh my god, that's so bad. Except for the Nightmare. I got so yeah, I got a Nightmare, Nightmare. Good card. Everybody's looking for Nightmares. I have like 6 of these and I really like them though, so. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. Expect more redakai. Yeah.